In the heart of a vibrant jungle, there lived a unique chameleon named Cam. Cam was no ordinary lizard. He had the ability to blend seamlessly into his surroundings, a gift that allowed him to hide from predators and hunt with ease. One day, Cam got into a predicament. He had blended into the color of a bush, but a group of children had entered the jungle unaware of his presence. Cam, unable to alert them of his presence, feared being caught. In his dilemma, Cam realized that his camouflage, while useful against jungle predators, was now a burden. He yearned for a way to stand out, to be seen, to be recognized. In the stillness, an old wise owl hooted, "Cam, true strength lies not in blending, but in being unique." Inspired, Cam decided to change his approach. The next day, instead of blending, Cam stood tall, proud, and green in the midst of the jungle. The children, captivated by his vibrant colors, approached him. Cam, with a warm smile, introduced himself, and the children, amazed, asked about his magical colors. Cam, in that moment, realized the power of standing out. He no longer needed to hide, for he had captivated the hearts of the children. The jungle, once a place of fear, had become a playground of adventure and wonder. From that day forward, Cam taught other creatures the importance of being unique. His story serves as a reminder that blending does not always mean safety, but standing out can lead to a world of opportunities and connections.